Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about exercise question 3.2 of class 11 physics from the chapter motion in a straight line. So the question is the position time graph x for position t for time. For two children A and B returning from their school O to their homes P and Q respectively are shown in figure. Choose the correct entries in the brackets below. So you see this on the y-axis we have the position, on the x-axis we have the time. So this is a position time graph. Okay, now you see O is the position of the school. This A, this orange colored one is the position time graph for the children A. Returning from their school, returning from his or her school to his or her home. Then B, this is a, this green colored one, this is a position time graph for the children, for the child B. So, we want to choose the correct entries in the brackets below. The first one you see, A bar B, that is A or B, lives closer to the school than B or A. That is it like A lives closer to the school than B, or A lives closer to the school than B lives closer to the school than A? Okay, which one would be the correct option that we want to choose? That is, we want to choose the correct entry, that is A or B from these two brackets. So you see, it is very clear from this figure that you see O is the school. O is the school. Okay, now you see I'm taking this this point is P. I forgot to mark it here. This point is P and this point is Q. Okay, so you see P is the home of A and Q is the home of B. Okay, so you see the distance to P, that is from O to P. Okay, distance to P is OP, and distance to Q, which is the home of B, that is OQ. Okay, it is very clear from this figure that this OP, it is less than OQ. Okay, that is OP is less than OQ means home of A. P is the home of A. So home of A, it is closer to this point O where the school is located. Since OP is less than OQ, we can say that the distance of school from the A's home, that is home of A, is less than that from the home of B. Okay, so A lives closer to the school than B. Now see the second one. A or B starts from the school earlier than B or A. That is, A starts from the school earlier than B, or B starts from the school earlier than A. Which one would be the correct option? You see, it is very clear from this figure that A, it starts from the school at t equal to 0, because the graph started from this point now, origin where the school is located. So at this point we can consider t, that is a time value, as 0. So A started at t equal to 0 second. And you see B has started its motion after certain time, after certain finite time. That is, A started his or her journey from school earlier than B. Okay, so A starts from the school earlier than B, because you see A started at t equal to 0 second. B corresponding to this point, there is some other time value, maybe 5 seconds or 10 seconds, something like that. So you see A started at t equal to 0 seconds, B started at some other finite value. Okay, that is, A starts from school earlier than B. Now see the third one, C. A or B walks faster than B or A. That is, A walks faster than B, or B walks faster than A. Which one would be the correct option? So you see, this is a position time graph for A as well as for B. We know that the speed or velocity, which is actually the slope of a graph. Okay, speed is the slope of the position time graph. So you see, this is the position time graph for A. This one is the position time graph for B. So you see, this has less slope, this has more slope. Okay, that is, slope of B is greater than slope of A. Okay, you see, this is for A, this is for B. So slope of A, it is less than the slope of B. Okay, or slope of B is greater than the slope of A. That is greater slope, greater speed. Okay, so B walks faster than A. Now, the fourth one, D, A and B reach home at the same time or different time. You see, it is very clear from this figure that P is the home of A. A reaches its home corresponding to a time somewhere here. Q is the home of B. B reaches its home corresponding to a time somewhere here, that is at the same time. That is, it is very clear from the figure that both A and B reach their respective homes P and Q at the same time. Now see the last one, E. A or B overtakes B or A on the road once or twice. So you see, we know that slope of B is greater than slope of A. That is, speed of B, it is greater than speed of A. Okay, speed of B is greater than speed of A. That is, B moves faster. Okay, B moves faster. And you see, at this particular point, B overtakes A only at once. Okay, so B overtakes A on the road once. So in this video, we have discussed about the exercise question 3.2 of class 11 physics. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you.